10 fascinating facts about the English language you didn't know. English, it's not just a language, it's a world of surprises. Today, we're uncovering 10 fascinating facts about English that will leave you amazed. But here's the twist, we'll pause along the way to let you think and guess before revealing the answers. Ready? Let's dive in. Fact 1. A lot of countries speak English as an official language. English is spoken all over the world. But can you guess how many countries have English as an official language? Take a moment to think. It's 67 countries and 27 non-sovereign entities. From business meetings to travel adventures, English truly connects the globe. Speaking of global influence, let's move on to something even more impressive. Fact 2. The size of English vocabulary. English has one of the largest vocabularies in the world. Can you guess how many words are in the Oxford English Dictionary? Let me give you a hint. It's over 1 lakh. There are over 1,70,000 words, and it's growing. Around 4,000 new words are added every year. Isn't that incredible? Now, here's something more surprising. Fact 3. First versus second language speakers. Do you think more people speak English as their first language or their second? Take your best guess. More people speak it as a second language. Over 750 million learners worldwide use English as their bridge for communication. Now that we've talked about its speakers, let's explore something fun. Fact 4. Ambergram fun. Let's test your observation skills. Look at this word, swims. What happens if you flip it upside down? Think carefully. It still reads swims. This clever property is called an ambergram. Isn't that fun? Let's play a challenge. Fact 5. Rhyming challenge. Can you think of any word that rhymes perfectly with orange or purple? Go on, give it a try. There aren't any perfect rhymes. These words are so unique that they stand alone in the English language. If you know any such rhyming word, share your answer in the comment section. Next up is something you'll see everywhere in English. Fact 6. Most common letter. What do you think is the most commonly used letter in English? Here's a hint, it's in almost every sentence. Is the letter E appearing in around 12% of all words? It's practically in almost every sentence. Now let's talk about some nouns that break the rules. Fact 7. Plural nouns only. Some nouns in English only exist in plural form. Can you name one? Think about it and share your answer in the comment section. Examples include scissors, pants, and glasses. You'll never hear anyone say a scissor or a pan. Now let's talk about something new. Fact 8. New words every year. English changes fast. Can you think of any new word that wasn't around 2 years ago? Words like adultification, brain fog, and Gen AI are just a few examples. Thanks to pop culture and technology, our vocabulary keeps evolving. Next fact is a fun challenge. Fact 9. The Penogram Challenge. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Can you guess what makes this famous sentence so special? This sentence uses every letter in the alphabet. Do you know what it's called? Take a guess. It's called a penogram, a fun way to test fonts or typing skills. Try writing one yourself and share it in the comment section. And finally, fact number 10, let's talk about why English isn't just fascinating, it's also universal. Fact 10. Language of the air. All pilots, regardless of their nationality, are required to communicate in English, often referred to as the language of the air. English is more than just a means of communication, it serves as a global bridge connecting billions of people. What would you call this practice? Share your thoughts in the comment box. Language of the air, uniting pilots everywhere. So, which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content.